Okay, now we're back to doing the deltoid. So we're going to apply the taping technique first to the rear or the posterior deltoid fibres. And what we'll find here is these deltoid fibres, the trigger points are housed in the lower half, as opposed to when we talk about the anterior fibres, the trigger points are going to be in the upper half. Okay, so they tend to oppose each other. Now once again, when we're doing this technique, the muscle needs to be on stretch. So we'll get Lee to come up into a bit of flexion and then horizontal flexion. So we can start to see that wonderful definition of Lee's deltoids there, showing off the rowing muscles. So we'll come down to the deltoid tuberosity. That's our anchor point here. So put down your anchor here. Okay. Peel your backing again, and then you're going to follow the fibres around that deltoid and come all the way up and over onto the acromion if you do it right. Now once again, this is going to be on 30 or 40%. So that's 100, back 50, a little bit of 30, and then just follow that fibre all the way around, okay, like so. Give it a bit of a rub, okay. Now we know our trigger points are down in the lower half. Once again, we're going to use a decompression, so pick up the site of the trigger points with your palpation. So if we come in here, how's that there, Leah? About there. Straight over that trigger point site there. Okay, once again, 80 or 90, peel them off, bring it back down, and we're done. Fantastic. So when we're doing the anterior, we would do exactly the same, except the only difference here is that when we're doing the first sweep around the anterior, we need to put the arm on stretch the opposite way. Okay, so we will be bringing from here and around, and then obviously taping across the top here where the trigger points are in the anterior. Pretty simple.